Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. So our question is 6 raised to the power x times 6 raised to the power x is equal to 120. We have to find the value of x. So first of all, we can see that here bases are same, so power will be added here. So we can use the exponential law, as we know that if we have a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, it will be equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So now we can see that 6 raised to the power x, and then we can write 6. So here x plus x, which is equal to 120. So now 6 raised to the power x plus x is equal to 2x, which is equal to 120. As we see that here 6 raised to the power 2x is equal to 120. So now we are going to take log at both sides. So taking log at both sides, then we get that log 6 raised to the power 2x is equal to log 120. So now that, as we know that by the logarithm law, if we have log a raised to the power m, then we can write it m log a, m log a. So here it will be 2x log 6 is equal to log 120. So log 120 we can write here. Now dividing both sides with log 6, then we get log 6 here also at right hand side. Then cancelling log 6 with log 6, we get 2x is equal to log 120 over log 6. Now as we know that 120, if we write here that log 120 can be written as 6 times 20, which is equal to 120 divided by log 6. So 2x is equal to, here we use logarithm law, that if we have log a into b, then we can write it log a plus log b. So it will be written as that log 6 plus log 20 all over log 6. Now we are going to write denominator separately by these two terms. Then we get log 6 over log 6, and similarly here log 20 over log 6. So cancelling log 6 with log 6, we get 2x is equal to, here we get 1 plus, and log 20 can be written as log 4 times 5. So we are going to use again this law. Then it will be 2x is equal to 1 plus this log 4 plus log 5, and we are going to write log 6 separately with these two terms. So log 6, it is also log 6. Now 2x is equal to 1 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square over log 6 plus log 5 over log 6. As we know that by logarithm law, if we have log a over log b, then we can write it like this, that log a with base b. So it can be written as log 5 with base 6. Now 2x is equal to 1 plus that 2 log 2 over log 6, that here plus log 5 with base 6. So now we can write it like this, that 2x is equal to here we can write here that plus log 2, and log 6 can be written as that log 2 with base 6. So plus log 5 with base 6. Now we can see that here 2, so we can divide this 2 at both sides. Then we get cancelling 2 with 2. So x is equal to that 1 plus 2 log 2 with base 6 plus log 5 with base 6 over all over 2. So it is our value of x. Now we are going to verify our result. So putting this value of x in our problem, then we get our result. That is, now we are going to check. Let's verify that our problem is 6 power x times 6 power x is equal to 120. So now we can write here 6 raised to the power 2x is equal to 120. Now putting the value of x, that 6 raised to the power 2 times 1 plus 2 log 2 with base 6, 2 log 2 with base 6 plus log 5 with base 6 over all over 2, that is equal to 120. Now we see that we can cancel this 2 with 2, then we get 6 power 1 plus this 2 can be written here, that log 2 raised to the power 2 with base 6 plus log 5 with base 6 is equal to 120. So now 6 raised to the power 1 plus it is equal to log 2 square is equal to 4 with base 6 plus log 5 with base 6 is equal to 120. So now, as we know that by exponential law, that if we have a raised to the power m plus n, then we can write it a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So using this law here, then we get 6 raised to the power 1 times 6 raised to the power log 4 with base 6, and here times 6 raised to the power log 5 with base 6, which is equal to 120. So now 6 raised to the power 6 is equal to 6, and using logarithm law here, then we get if a log b with base a, it is equal to b. So now we are going to use here that it is 6 and 6 same, so we get 4 times here we get 5, which is equal to 120. So 6 times 20 is equal to 120, and 120 is equal to 120. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we have verified our result. So our value of x is this one, that 1 plus 2 log 2 with base 6 plus log 5 with base 6 all over 2. It is our final answer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have got this question. So it is step by step question. Now that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.